Hi, I'm wearing my lab coat today because I'm going to do a demonstration using nitric acid. Let me get the bottle for you. Nitric acid is a very corrosive acid. It can actually break down protein. Nitric acid can be used as a xanthoproteic test. Xantho means yellow, proteic for protein. It actually will turn muscle yellow. It'll turn my fingernails yellow if I get it on me. Well, anyway, nitric acid is one of the few acids that reacts with copper. Copper is a very stable element. There's not a lot of things that react with it. So, remember, there's a difference between our old pennies and our new pennies. I'm going to put the old penny in that container, a beaker, and I'm going to put the new penny in this beaker. Now, which one do you think is going to have the greater reaction? Plus, can you predict maybe what the reaction is going to look like? Well, let's see. So I'll start with the new penny. I'm just going to put a little bit in. Do you see the bubbling? Plus the production of the brown smoke. That happens to be a nitrogen oxide gas that's being released. Now, it's kind of good that you guys are not in here today because this is pretty toxic, this stuff right now. But since it's only me, it's okay. One thing I want you to know too is that if I touch these beakers, they're getting pretty hot. When a chemical reaction releases heat, we call that an exothermic reaction. So I'm going to pause this right now, and let's see what happens as we let it continue to react. So this has been going on for several minutes, and you can still see that there's a reaction going on in here. We have to wait a little bit longer, but look at this. This reaction is done, and do you notice the color of it? Okay, I'm going to pause this again. Well, I'm going to try and speed this up a little bit. There's not too much more coming out. Do you notice the difference in the colors of the final solution that was made? This is almost done, you guys. There's a lot of this nitrogen oxide in there. Well, I think you can see right now how much darker this beaker, the solution is. By the way, I want to tell you that the name of that brownish smoke that came off is actually nitrogen dioxide, NO2. And we're left with some copper nitrate in here. So I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Does it make sense to you why this solution is darker than this solution?